What shall I do? Anyhow, he desired. His desire is, such desire is unfailing, which will never fail. Bhaktavancha kalpataru, Krishna Bhaktavancha kalpataru, with the desire fulfilling tree of his dear devotee. But a dear devotee desires immediately, Krishna grants it. Immediately granted. It's immediately granted. It's immediately granted. Isn't it? Krishna has supreme will. Krishna is Samatra Balavati. Krishna's will is supreme will. By his mere willing, the creation, maintenance, annihilation takes place. If he doesn't will, even a blade of grass will not shake. But he immediately grants the desire of his dear devotee. So this is his desire. So this land was available. I was available. It's a strange coincidence, simultaneous. It's simultaneous. Strange coincidence and simultaneous happening. Is Krishna's will. His dear devotees, most intimate, confidential associate desire. So I was just an instrument. You'll take me there, you'll bring me there. Oh. And I have got that opportunity to break Abhimana. What is that? Sulkiness. That sulkiness. Do you understand? Sometimes Krishna and Radha developed sulkiness. I won't go to that Krishna. I won't see any black thing. They are very unreliable persons. Black bumblebee comes, get out here, you black bumblebee, you unreliable person. Get out from here. So sulkiness. This is the result, question of excessive love. Pritya visojya. Pritya visojya. Excessive love. So sulkiness develops. So mediator is required to break this and unite Radha and Krishna. So Lalita Sakhi, Vishakha Sakhi, they are mediators. They will go to both sides. Krishna's side and Radha's side. Speak to Krishna. Oh Radharani. Oh Krishna. Radharani will die. She will die. Always thinking of you, she has become skinny. Not taking food, not sleeping. She has become mad. Oh Krishna, she has become mad. Shedding tears, sitting on the ground, hanging her head, and just with a nail something writing on the ground. Similarly, Radha's side, so they go and say, oh Radharani. Krishna is mad for you. In waking condition, dreaming condition, sleeping condition, only saying Radhe, 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 kothaye go prema moi Radhe, Radhe. Dekha diya pran rakho Radhe, Radhe. Isn't it? Do you understand my language? Krishna is so mad for you, Radharani. Waking condition, dreaming condition, sleeping condition, only uttering your name. So, oh Radhe, please give me darshan and make me survive, or my life here will get out. So this is Lalita Sakhi, Visakha Sakhi mediators, they are doing these things, are breaking the saltiness of Bhiman Bhonjon. Then there is union of Radha and Krishna, all rejoicing, all happiness, all blissfulness, all festivity. So many things take place in Vrindavan. Huh? Isn't it? So saltiness. Prabhupada never so saltiness. I want to go to Orissa. I want to go to that. Oh, no. They depart. They don't allow my devotees, my disciples, who are Vaishnavas, who are dear devotees of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. I would go. But he had to intensely there inside, I must go. Such a dear land of Mahaprabhu. Why? How he can come? But outside, something is there. So I was cut up. Oh, Gaur Govind, you'll take me there. So I am mediator. I have to break that sulkiness. All right, that's me. Anyhow, it is God's mercy that I got such opportunity. So I came here, built that cottage, humble cottage according to his instruction. Always thinking to bring him here. No more nominality, nothing else. How will come here? So much money is required. He will never come alone. What you say? Yes. What you say in English? That's what the word, English word?
Entourage, followers, everybody.
Yes. His followers, disciples, retinue. Yes, retinue. That is the word. Retinue will come. Many, hundreds. It's not one and two. How can I accommodate them? Oh, no accommodation, only one motor. 2-3 people will be accommodated. No arrangement. That's a great, dark problem on my head. But what is impossible? There is no, this word in the dictionary of Krishna or pure devotee, this word impossible. Krishna can do and undo the thing. Isn't it? He can do and undo the thing. Similarly, his dear devotee. So I went. Just built this, I went there. 1977, that's the year of his passing away. He will pass away that year. And I have to bring it. So I went to Hyderabad. He was with me. This Digpati Digambara Patnaik was with me. Went to Hyderabad. Prabhupada was at that time at Hyderabad farm. At night we reached there. Next morning, early in the morning we met. He had told me, come with me. I have some correspondence. I had some correspondence with him. He wanted, I will build a temple there in the land, Bhubaneswara, like Jagannath Puri temple. He said, Govind, please come with a plan and estimate. Are Baba. Come with a plan and estimate. I am not an engineer. I don't know what the plan estimate. Anyhow, I approached one engineer, one architect. He was there. He was coming at that time. Now, not coming. He had developed some sulkiness. I don't know. Retired. So I requested him, made a rough sketch, plan and rough estimate, some crores of rupees. So I showed him, dear Srila Prabhupada, this is a plan estimate you have said. Oh, what is it? That you will build a temple like Jagannath Puri temple? Such crores of rupees. Oh yes, such a big temple. Anyhow, then I said, please come to that land. I have come to invite you. All right, I am going to Kumbh Mela, Prayag, Kumbh Mela, that year. Special Kumbh Mela was there. And Prayag, Purna Kumbh Mela.
When you gave me
Yes. Come here, come to Kumbh Mela, from there we'll go. So I went to Kumbh Mela. Month of January, very biting cold. Very cold, you see. Anyhow, cottages were there. Tents were pitched. Prabhupada was living in one of the tents. Old man, so much cold. So that heater is there in his tent. We are sleeping in other tents, just spreading some, straw on the sand, because the river bed is so cold, and spreading straw and spreading some cloth. We are sleeping. Prabhupada, the heater was there. So this plea I sometimes, many times, went into this and have a heater and I'll sit there and talk to Prabhupada, please go, come, let's go. Anyhow, after one day stay, he decided, yes, we'll go there. The ticket was booked. The secretary asked me, have you got money? Prabhupada will go. Some first class ticket, train ticket from Calcutta, then from Calcutta to Bhubaneswar. Have you money? Give me money. Rameswar was secretary at that time, Rameswar Swami. Are Baba, I am poor man. I have no money. How can you take Prabhupada? No money, how come to take Prabhupada? Big money. Anyhow, I had taken only 1,000 rupees with me. Somehow, my arm collection, door-to-door collection, 1,000 rupees. So he took, anyhow, he booked ticket. So he came to Calcutta, then from Calcutta to here, Prabhupada came, stayed here 17 days continuously. No amenities are there, nothing. Out of the way place, nobody was coming here. Only electricity was there. But he stayed very happily here. Though I had arranged, the state guest house. But he refused. I won't stay there. I'll stay here, teaching practically. How one who is completely Krishna conscious, developed such completely blessing level of consciousness, complete Krishna conscious, he can stay anywhere. Underneath a tree, in a big man's son also. That's it. Practically teaching, taught us. You understand? So every day, here, sometimes we are there, only one tarpaulin we have prayed like canopy. No canopy was there. So some thousands of people are coming because of this sadhu has come. Krishna attracts. Krishna is all attractive. Krishna attracts. And his dear devotee attracts. Krishna in two forms attracts. Devotees here, people here, in the form of his holy name, in the form of Acharya. You understand? He attracts. Krishna attracts. Namarupe, Acharya rupe. The form of his holy name and the form of Acharya. So Acharya, his dear devotee has come, so many people are. They come. This out of the way place become crowded. And every day, God Govind, one will come here, all should be fed. Oh, yes, Prabhupada, yes. Whatever you say should be done. No money. Anyhow, miraculous. That is miraculous. How money came, how it took place, happened, I couldn't say. But money was coming, everything was nice. So, at that time, when I came here, this Tuti Dhardas was a boy here. He was working in DPI office. First he met. I met him first. Oh, he helped me a lot, carrying on his cycle, carrying me, going hither, thither. Do you understand? So he has made Prabhupada here. He was coming every day. Prabhupada had some affection for him. He has gotten the affection, love and affection from Prabhupada. Sutidhar Das, now he is Sachinandan Das. And Prabhupada was giving lecture every evening from Chaitanya Charitamrita. Was telling him to, you read Chaitanya Charitamrita. He was reading Chaitanya Charitamrita. Prabhupada speaking in English. I am translating in Oriya. That was there. So now I request that Sutidhara Das, Sachinandana Das, to glorify Srila Prabhupada.